Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Motorola Edge 40. To do this, we'll need to open our app that allows us to scroll down. In this case I chose a settings. Now press on the power key and volume down key at the same time to take a screenshot. Now you should be able to see this pop-up and there's the icon. It should start recording entire page. You can click on the stop button when you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot. When it reaches bottom, it should automatically end, and if we click on it, here we have a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.